Yeah, good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Please confirm. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good
good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning, good morning. So, today's session is for automation. Okay. So, what is automation, guys? Anyone can explain what is automation? Do you know what is the difference, the main differences between manual testing and automation testing? Do you know any difference? Can anyone tell your opinion? Okay, I'm
It's
not
time
asking
saving.
the. Okay, good. Someone is saying, yeah, go ahead.
Uh, Less employees is required and time saving and less costly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you can say that, yeah, that's true, right? And because time saving, we can save the time because how we can automate the scripts. Main thing, yeah, you can tell the differences in interview. You cannot say like that time save, cost, and all the things. But mainly, you need to tell that what is manual testing and what is automation testing. So manual testing means what you know, right? Already we did it, right? What is a manual testing? Manual testing is nothing but we are not using any tools, right? We are not using any tools. That kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. Understanding, right? Here, in are you able to see my screen, right? Everyone, please confirm. Are you able to see, right? Screen,
Yes,
my
sir.
screen. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So the first question, if you are going with the fresher level, they will ask you, can you define what is the differences between the manual testing and automation testing? Most of the people will confuse what is automation. They will ask me, can you please teach me automation? Can you please teach me Selenium? What is automation? What is Selenium? This is the first question will come. See, both are the same only. Automation means what? We are using some tools, we are using some softwares. Okay, based on that, we are using to automate the websites. Okay, to execute the website, we are writing some script by using some tools, and the script will execute and it will give the results. That part we can call it as what? Automation. When you're talking about manual, without any tools, I'm not using any tools. Okay, I'm not using any tools, just manually I'm doing each and everything. That part we can call it as a manual testing. First, you need to understand what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing, because before you start planning anything, you need to have an idea what is automation testing means. What we are using some script here, some tools here, some softwares here. Based on that tools, on based on the softwares, where you are generating the scripts and we are executing the script. Okay, so that is the main differences between manual testing and automation testing. So automation means what? We are using some softwares, and based on the software, you are writing the some script. Based on the script, we are executing the application. Okay, and one of the Selenium is what? One of the part of automation. Okay, there are many tools will be there in the market. Catalan, Selenium, like there are many tools will be there in the market. Okay, but why the Selenium is more famous and more everyone is crazy about Selenium? Can anyone tell me? So why the Selenium is most crazy one? Because it's a open source. What is called open source? What is called commercial? Can anyone? What is meaning of
It is,
commercial? What is meaning of open source?
sir, open source means it is freely available in market.
Yeah, that's good. So open source means it is freely available in the market. So organization will not buy the license. See, license cost cutting. What is called cost cutting? If I want to provide a license to VB dot like I need to provide ASP.NET license to each and every tester, then my budget is increased, right? Your project manager will not allow to give the access to .NET licenses to each and every tester, because I need to pay. I need to pay for that SQL. I need to pay, and we like ASP.NET. If I want to use that Visual Studio again, I need to buy the license. So we never see the code. We never see the code. We never execute any code. That coding part, everything will be done by whom? Developers. But our part is what? If you want to use any automation tools, that most of the people are using nowadays, and everyone is using what? open sources only. They're looking for open sources. They are not invest the money on the tools. There are, because many tools are available in the market. Many tools are available in the market. Sometimes they will ask you, if you are in lead position, they will ask you, can you please search which tool is suitable for our project? Either we can go with Selenium. Again, there is a big story. The Selenium will support with the different languages. Again, whenever the topic will comes, we will discuss. Okay. Okay. So that is very, very important. Okay. And one more thing, open source and commercial. So open source means what? Anyone can easily access. Okay. Coming to the Selenium. Selenium is what Selenium can do. What browser automations? By using of Selenium, you can automate any browser. You can automate Chrome browser. You can automate Firefox browser. You can automate the Edge browser. You can automate IE browser. Okay. So the definition of Selenium, if anyone asks you, you always refer the main site. You always, when you are doing the practice, right? You need to parallelly, you need to open this site. More and more and more information you will get. seleniumdev.org. Okay, seleniumdev.org. You need to open this site. You need to check the things, what is the Selenium, and each and every content is given in where selenium.dev. Okay, you need to open this site and you always check what is if you want to learn more and more and more and more and things. Okay, always you need to take the reference site. Okay, it's loading on the understanding, right? So what is the Selenium means? We can simply say that it automates the web browsers. It automates the web browsers. We can automate any browser. I can automate Chrome browser. I can automate Firefox browser. I can automate Edge Chrome browser. I can automate IE browser. Okay, so that is very, very important definition. Okay. uh, when you are going in interview, right, you need to tell valid definition. Okay, when you say valid definition, they will accept it. If you are reading the definition, they will not accept it. Okay. Now coming to the Selenium. Okay, Selenium is invented by Jason Hudson and the team while they are working on the project ThoughtWorks. Okay, no one will ask you this question, who will invented and when it is invented. It is all not required for us, but any case, while you're talking with your colleagues, if at least you need have some basic knowledge. So that's the reason we are discussing about here, but no one will ask you when it is started, which year it is started. No one will ask you this question. Okay, this question is very, very important. Selenium is not only one tool, it's a kind of suit. It's a suit means what? A group of things. Okay, Selenium is what? Selenium is a suite of software tools to use to automate the web browsers. By using of Selenium, we can automate what? Web browsers. We can use, by using of Selenium, I can automate the Chrome browser. I can automate the Firefox browser. I can automate the IE browser. Okay, so this is very, very, very important. Okay, simple definition, no need to by heart and all the things. Simply you can say that by using of Selenium, I can automate the web browsers. If you are fresher in interview, they will ask you, can you tell me what is Selenium, how you will do with how you will be automates and all the things. Can you explain means you can simply say that Selenium is a suite of software tools to use to automate the web browsers. I can automate any web browser. I can automate IE browser. I can automate Firefox browser. I can automate because all the application will be in access in where, in websites only, in the browsers only, right? So browser is mandatory here. So I can automate the Chrome browser. I can automate Firefox browser. I can automate IE, and I can automate the IE browser. Okay, the long back on Selenium releases. Okay, very, very important thing, because you are going with experience, with the fake experience like 2 years or 3 years. You don't know what is current version, then it's little bit difficult. So you need have some background knowledge, like when the Selenium is started 2004, and what is the latest version. The latest version is Selenium 4. Now running market is what? Selenium 4, but still the people are using version 3 only, 3.8 and 3.141. So just basically, if you are going with experience level, you need to have a look what is the Selenium version. Okay, which version currently the people are using. So you need to check. So if you want more knowledge on this, you can simply go to the downloads. You can see you can go to the downloads. 1 second. Just now we discussed about this one, right? About simple guys, very easily we can learn the Selenium. Okay. See, Selenium is a suite of tools for automates the web browsers. This is the valid definition for an interview. You can say that. What about Selenium? Selenium is a suite of tools for automate the web browsers. Okay, you can automate any web browser. You can automate any web browser. We'll see. Okay, don't worry. Okay, what is the latest stable version? What is the latest? Latest means what are the latest stable version is what? 3.141.59. This is the what? Latest stable version. Okay, what is the latest Selenium beta version? You know, right? What is alpha testing and what is beta testing? We know, right? Beta means what? Still its end users will test. It's not stable. I'm just released as a beta version. Still we have some see in manual we discussed, right? Do you remember what is user acceptance testing, alpha testing and beta testing? Beta testing means I released in the beta version, but it is not stable. Still I know if you say that this is the what this is getting error, this is getting error means simply they mail you, hey, this is the beta version. Even we know that that issue will be there. So you always, while you are working, you need to take the always latest stable versions. Okay, because in the Selenium lot of compatibility issues will be there. What are the compatibility issues? I will tell you. Browser is 88, your WebDriver is 3.8, and your so you need to check the compatibility whether your browser is supporting with this version or not. We need to check. Okay, we'll see while doing the practicing. We'll see a lot of things in the automation, but it's not be like a manual classes. Every day you need to do some practice. Every day you need to spend 1 hour, more than 1 hour, then only you can complete this course. I can complete. If I will complete means I will get the money, but it's just not be like that. So you need to do some practice every day. You need to do some practice because they won't ask questions much more in directly. They will ask you write a code. Nowadays, you know, right? All the interviews in Skype call or they will ask you. They will give you a task, or you need to write the task and you need to send it back to the team. So you need to put in the scripting, then only they will take. Okay, and one more thing, you need to strong in CoJava. That CoJava part, see, I will tell you Java here, like what is required, I can tell you, but I cannot teach like what is class, what is method. That I cannot tell because it will take a lot of time. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time also. So you can parallelly start with CoJava. CoJava, if you are strong in CoJava, 60 to 70% only. Selenium is required 30% only. I'm damn sure, because in the interview they will ask you all related questions will be CoJava related only. CoJava means what? Basics. No, don't worry. Again, Java means don't worry, don't panic. Okay, there are a lot of videos will be there, or you can join with Durga is also is very excellent videos will be there, or you can join because that is your career, right? This is your career. If I say that I will teach on Java, I will teach automation, and within 30 days, within 45 days, within 30 days, it's not the workout. Okay, you need to learn with the professional only. I cannot teach like a Durga, I cannot teach like a Nagur Babu, or there are experts, there are senior most experts, there are specialists on that area, so you can learn there itself. CoJava. Okay, that's your wish. I'm not pointing you to join here this institute. I'm not telling that. You can, your wish, you can join anywhere, but what I'm telling, you can learn self-learning also. That's well and good, but CoJava is very very important. Okay, because most of the interviews they won't ask Selenium questions. 80 to 60% they will ask you CoJava related questions. Can you explain? Oops. Can you explain what is method? Because most of the people, what they will do, Selenium, they're not learning properly. Copy the code and pasting the code. They think that I can launch the pro, but he cannot explain how you write the code. Can you explain that code? Means you are not able to explain. He can copy the code, he can execute the code, but it's not real. That's not work in the real time. So you need to understand the code, you need to understand the script. So slowly you need to practice. Practice is required. More and more practice is required. Only 1 month of time. That's not much more than that. Every day 1 hour you spend means you can complete this course. Parallel you can also practice. But the interview question is what are the latest version? They will ask you generally. They will test you what latest version you are working. So 3.141.59. Otherwise, if you want to see what are the versions previously when all the Selenium is started, see 2.39, it was started at 2.39. After they introduced 2.40, after they introduced 2.41, after they introduced 2.42, after they introduced beta version. Once the problems is all everything is solved, then they introduced the final version is what 3.0 final version. This is what stable means. What I'm getting the positive results. Stable, I'm stable results. I'm getting the build is stable means what I'm getting the positive results. Okay. So after that, now it's a 3.14, and they introduced recently 4.0. The 4.0 is also the release. This is also the stable version. But you need to know before you cannot directly jump to 4.0. Okay, always you need to at least you are strong in one version, at least 3.14 or 3.8 with all the stable versions. If you are good in this area, then you can jump into 4.0 after the furtherly if you want to learn more and more. Yeah. So because this is very important, more version, which WebDriver you are using means you need to tell them 3.8 and what are the latest version. In case in interview they will ask you means that you need to tell that introduce 4 also, but no one will ask you that question. See, that is what just now we discussed, right? What is manual testing and what is automation testing? Manual testing means the test cases are executed without support, without support a tool or a script. That kind of testing we can call it as manual testing. Simple definition, guys. The test cases are executed without supporting from a tools or a script. I'm not using any tool. I'm not writing any script. That kind of execution we can call it as what? Manual testing. When you're talking about automation, okay, when you're talking about automation, what is automation testing? When I'm talking about automation, simply you can say that the test cases are executed with the support of tools like script and software, but with the automated the test cases are executed with the assistance of a tool. See, assistance means I required some tool, I required some automation tool like Selenium, I required automation tool like some other tools like different tools in the market. Okay, I required some tools, then only I can execute the automate the test cases. Okay, so this point is very important. Gunshot question mark. In case an interview they will ask you, can you define what is the differences between manual testing and automation testing? Means you need not worry about that. Simply you can simply say that manual test cases are executed without support from any tools or a script. Don't by heart, understand. If you read this one, then it's waste. Do not read, understand the things. Then any point, if tomorrow if someone is asked you, right, hey, can you tell me what is the difference between manual and automation, means you can easily answer it. If you read this one, you will be forget tomorrow itself. Okay, do not read, try to understand. Manual test cases are executed without support any tools or software or any scripts. So that kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. When you're talking about automate test cases, they are executed with support from the tools, script and software, but with the automate test cases are executed with the assistance of a tool. I required some tool, then only I can execute the test cases and script and software. Okay, so this is very important, guys. Simple question. Okay, now just now we discussed, right, Selenium is what? Just now we discussed Selenium is a suite, not only single one. Okay, it is a what? It's the suite. What is called suite? The suite is nothing but it requires the 4 components. There is a major 4 components. Initially when the Selenium will comes, right, they introduce IDE. What is called IDE? Anyone, you know what is called IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Yes, so this is very important. Generally they will ask the definition. If these all are fresher level questions only, I will tell you what question they will ask you in interview. I will tell you, don't worry. But just knowing of things I'm telling. Um, yeah, what is IDE? Okay, what is IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Okay, first they introduced in 2004. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is a plugin. It's not like exe file. What is called exe? Exe means what? Executable files. It's not be like executable file. See, please listen. Please understand what is exe and what is plugin. There are a lot of difference between exe and plugin. Plugin means we can add and you can automatically it will add into your browser. Okay, that is what plugins. Okay, if exe means what, you need to download and you need to extract and you need to install. And you need to check the setup file and you need to double click and you need to install. That will can call it as what? Exe, executable file. Okay, but Selenium IDE is nothing but integrated development environment, which is a plugin for. Initially, they introduced web browser like a Firefox, but nowadays no one will use that one. Now you can plug in with Chrome. You can plug in with other browsers also. What it will do? The question mark again. Everything is a question mark. What this ID will do? Simply, you can remember this allows to us record and play. You need not write any script. Very happy job. Happy job. You need not write any script. Zero knowledge of coding also we can use. But there are advantages will be there and there is a disadvantages will be there. But this is the happiest job because what? The simply you can open the application, you can record and play, record and play. You can record and play. But there have advantages and disadvantages. But first they introduce what? Selenium IDE. Okay, this is the easiest framework. Therefore, developer need to switch to Selenium RC for the advanced test cases and for advanced testing the test cases, like testing the test cases. Okay, so that is very important. Now they introduce RC. What is meaning of RC? RC is nothing but remote. What is called RC? Remote control. What is RC? First they introduce IDE. After that, they decide that it's a very easiest framework, and we want some other more things because there is advantages will be there, disadvantages will be there. So they introduce what? RC. Okay. Whenever they introduce RC, right? RC is nothing but remote control. RC stands for remote control, which allows developers to code in their preferred language. That's the reason Selenium is success in the market. All the tools are what? Only one language is support, but Selenium is not like that. Selenium can support multiple languages. Selenium RC, see the Selenium RC support many programming languages like Java. I mean good in Java, so I can use the Selenium. I'm good in C Sharp, I can use the Selenium. I'm good in Python, I can use the Selenium. Understanding, right? They introduce RC. RC is nothing but a remote control which allows to develop the code their preferred language. I'm not restricting here. See, end user, we are not restricting the end users. No, you need to learn Java only, then only you can automate. Means only Java people can only use the Selenium. But here it's not be like that. I'm good in C Sharp. My application is written in ASP.NET, so I'm good in C Sharp. I can automate the C Sharp also. My application is developed in Java, so I can write the code with I can automate the Selenium with the Java. My application is written in Python, so I can automate the Python. So again, the question mark. Hey, Srini, can I learn all the things? No, not required. If you learn all the things, our age will be gone. Okay, don't worry about it. You cannot learn all the things. Java you are learning, C Sharp you are learning, Python you are learning, and Ruby you are learning, PHP you are learning. Is it required? Means furtherly means if you are not required all the things, but one area you need to be expert. If you know car driving, means other cars also you can easily drive, right? No need to learn again first time onwards. Okay, you have a car, you know car driving, right? At least 2 or 3 days you will struggle, and next day onwards you can handle it, right? That's the same way here. If you are expert in one language, the other languages are similar only. The other languages are the same syntax. Sorry, the small syntax will be changed, the concept will be the same. Click is anywhere click. In Java also we can say click, in Python also we can say click, in Ruby also we can click, we can say click. Okay, so do I need to learn all the languages? No, not required. If you are in good in one area, if you are in good in one area, but that area should be, you need not be parallelly jump. Okay, sometime first two lines I learn write Python, second two lines I can write C sharp. Off of knowledge means then it's very difficult. Okay, don't do that one. If you are in good in one area, I'm expert in Java, I'm very good in Java, then other languages is little bit, see the Java code. See, Java code is what? Don't worry, guys. It's very easy. Web driver. I'm creating object driver equals to new Firefox driver. This is what Java declaration. In the Java we write. I want to write in the Python. Suppose you learn Java here, but in your organization they ask you, hey, write in Python. Don't worry. The same thing only will be there, but syntax will be a change. Driver dot get is the same only. Okay, here we can write a driver, wait with WebDriver dot Firefox. Simply you as a driver. In Python we are declining like this. In C sharp, say the C sharp is the similar one only. I WebDriver. See here, what is that? WebDriver. Here it is what? WebDriver. But in C sharp, I WebDriver. Understanding, right? Only I'm putting I before. Understanding, right? See, web element. Here web element only. Here we are use web element. In C sharp, I before I will come. I web element. Okay. So do I need to learn all the things? No, not required. But you are in good in one area, then other languages are very very easy, very very easy. But you need to strong in one area, not in all the areas. Once you get into job, suppose your organization people are using Python, start with the working on Python. Simple, you already know that driver dot find element is common for anywhere. See, driver dot find element in Java. Here driver dot find element underscore you are using. See, here there is the difference is what? Underscore. Here it is what? Driver dot find element. Understanding, right? So a small syntax will be changed, not much more than that. But if you know that languages, then it's well and good. Nowadays market is looking for full stack developer. Full stack means what? You are only designer, you are only the developer, you are only need to write one scripting language, one coding language, one UI build, UX, like you need to develop the screens and all the things. That is what next generation, like you need to know APIs, and you need to not only one stuff you cannot survey in the market. Okay, you need to learn all the things. If you go with US, they won't take one profile. Yeah, I know only manual and automation means they won't take that. They need to have multiple skills. I'm good in database, I'm no automation, I know Java. So you can utilize all the things. Java you are know, you can, you know automation, Selenium, you know Python, then your profile is gets more weightage. Okay, but don't panic, guys. At least get into the job, automatically everything will come. Okay, in your organization they start with the C sharp, so slowly they will give you KT and all the things. But you are know in Java, right? Java concepts you know everywhere, you know. Simple smile, a small change will be there, not much more the changes. Okay, and one of the important is what, so IDE components. I'm telling about four components. IDE we know, right? Well, IDE is nothing but the integrated development environment. It's a plugin, and it allows to what, record and play. Okay, so you can also just open the Google, you can try like what we can say IDE for a Chrome extension. Okay, if you click that one, automatically it will come. If you click this one, it will navigate directly to your extensions. Okay, and you can add your plugin. Okay, you can add the plugin. See, automatically in my extension I already added, so that's the reason it is asking remove. But in your case, if you add like this means add, just you click the add and you can close all the browsers. Okay, so Selenium IDE, so you can record your script. Let's see how we can work on this one. Okay, don't panic, no one will use this one, don't worry. If you're not getting on this also, it's not a big problem. Okay, suppose I want to automate the Amazon site. I'm zero knowledge, I don't know what about automation, and I don't know anything, but I want to automate this one. Okay, just open this one, just click ID. So whenever you click the ID, it will open like this. Welcome to Selenium ID. The version is what, 3.17.0. It is asking what would you like to do? What would you like to do? You want to record the new test case in the new project, or open an existing project, or you want to create a new project? Yes, I want to create a new project. Project name is what? ABC. What is 0322? Yeah, 21. Okay, click OK. So my project is created. Okay, whenever you create the project, you can able to see the project name. Okay, so here the how to run the test and all the things. Okay, now you need to pay back this URL. You need to provide which URL I need to automate. Okay, so you need to provide a valid URL. I'm providing amazon.in. Okay, I'm providing amazon.in. Okay, simple guys, very easy. So close this one. If you want, you can close this one. So just open your IDE and HTTP, and you need to give that URL, and there is a record option will be there. See, record and play, record and play. Okay, so you can record the things and you can play. So there is a record button will be there. Start recording. So just click the recording. See, automatically Amazon site is open. See, did I open? No, right? I'm not open anything. Just I given playback URL and I just open this. Now I'm doing smoke testing. Click. Wait. Okay. Action and wait for action to be completed. Okay. Don't panic. Okay. Mobile is done. Mobile is done. Okay. Okay, 2-day deals. Check your internet speed and all the things that is also being calculated. 2-day deals is done. And check fashion. Okay, check new release. Okay, okay. So I'm doing something. I don't know anything. Just I'm clicking. I don't know anything. I'm just clicking here and there. I'm doing the smoke testing. All the links and buttons are does the same action or not. Okay, customer services. So Amazon Pay. Okay, so I did some recording session, some record. So now I want to stop this one. Okay, go to here and open ID. Say stop the button. It is asking, hey, can you give the test case name? Test case PC01 smoke testing. Okay, smoke testing. Okay, done. See all. I'm very new in the automation. I don't know what is happening also. So if you record and play, at least you know understand. Open means it is opening the URL. Mouse over. See, I put here it there, right? That we can call it as mouse over. Set window size. I maximize, right? So maximize up to 338 to into 748. So maximize. Click. See, I click the best sellers, right? Link. Click. So this taken some commands, right? So click if you want to click any button, just raise the click. Okay, now I want to play this one. Okay, now I want to play this one. Now I want to close Amazon site. Like, see, there is no Amazon site in my backside. Like in my browser there is no Amazon site. Now I want to play this one. See, run the test cases. See, automatically it is opening. I'm using some tool assistance, like I'm using IDE. Okay, based on that IDE I'm checking all the things. Okay, sometimes it will fail because you need to check your internet and all the things. Okay. Yeah, I think it's failed. Still it is going on. Yeah. It's still in motion. Yeah, it's failed at mouse over. Okay, so don't do repeatedly. Again, we can run this one. Okay, so again we can run it. Okay, so this is the reason why we cannot handle this one. We can handle also, but it's not in the good proper way. Okay, check in the speed, net speed, and browser speed, and we need to control all the things. The further sessions we can check it out, all the things how it will work. So take a very small site, then you can play this one. Okay, it will 100% it work. It opens Amazon site. So it's still taking the time. It's so it is failing in mouse or something wrong at that area. So do one thing. We can take very light example. So what is the light example? We can take, we can automate this site. Okay, for example, okay, this site we can take it. Okay, dev dot. Okay, now again, what I need to do? Um, if you take large site, this is the problem. Okay, again I'm closing this, leave this site. Again, what I need to do, guys, simple, guys. Open your browser, open your browser and click this one, Selenium IDE. So make sure that create a new project, ABC new project one. Okay, whatever, you can give any name. Okay, let's see. If not work, then we can work out. Okay, now just close this site. Now go to here and play the record. Just when I'm record, automatically it will come. So maximize. So about us, downloads. So this site is very fast. Projects, lightweight site. Okay, documents, documentation. Simple stuff. Okay, documentation. Getting started. Okay, just enough. I want to check that one. Okay, stop the recording. Okay, PC 0_002 more testing 2. What are it? Okay. Now say the same thing. Okay, mouse over, we are doing mouse over, right? That's the reason it is failing. Let's see. Now last time we are trying, otherwise we can leave. Okay, now we can play this one. See how fast it is. See, that is what automation. See, my test case is what pass or failed. See, everything is successful. Everything is what successful. Okay, so make sure that it is executing successfully each and everything it runs. And do I written any script? No, right? I'm not writing any script. See, again, second time I'm doing. See, automatically it will open. See how it is doing, how much fast it is doing. See, understanding, right? So this is very, very important. So if I don't know anything about coding and all the things, then you can use IDE. But nowadays no one will use the IDE, because I told you there are a lot of advantages will be there and disadvantages will be there. You need to handle it. See, previously I cannot handle the mouse over, previously Amazon site. So in that case I need to write the script, 100% I need to write the script. Okay, so that's not the all my test cases is what okay, and smoke testing is completed successfully. Number of times I can write, number of times I can execute, number of times. How many times you want, you can. Time saving, what you said, right? It's correct. What is that? Time saving. Open the browser, enter the URL, clicking here and there and here and there, it will take some time. But here, once I written the script, I'm executing the script multiple times. Okay, so this is what IDE. So you can also practice today after the class. Don't take the time, simple. Just spend 15 minutes, not 15 minutes, more than it's hardly 5 minutes. Okay, just I add the IDE and you can play. So it is allows us to what? Record and play. Just now we saw, right? We record and we play the script. We record, we can play the script. So this is what IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Okay, this is the easiest framework, and therefore the developer needs to search RC for the advanced test cases. Okay, so RC is nothing but a remote control. Why the Selenium is more famous? Like you can use the preferred language, not one language. So RC is what remote control. You can use what preferred language. You can use number of languages like that. Preferred language means there are few languages will be there. So you can use Java, Python, or Python, C Sharp, and Ruby and PHP. One of the most important thing, whole our journey all will be WebDriver only. Selenium WebDriver. This is very, 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 very important. We are using Selenium WebDriver only. Selenium WebDriver means what? The Selenium automates and control the activities performed by the web browser. So by using of WebDriver, What are the actions? What are the actions we perform in the website? Now see, just now we perform some actions, right? What is the actions? I open the browser, I enter the URL and I click here. I'm doing some activities in the browser, right? I'm doing some activities in the browser. All that activities, how we can handle by using of WebDriver. The Selenium automates and control the activities performed by the web browser. It has been implemented throughout the browser specific driver. For every browser, Selenium is given that specific driver, web driver, right? Chrome driver will be there, Firefox driver will be there, IE driver will be. Selenium is predefined that one. Hey, if you want to use Chrome, you can use Chrome web driver. Hey, you want to Edge Chrome, you can use Edge Chrome driver. Hey, if you want to use IE, you can use IE Chrome. And if you want to Firefox Gecko driver, interview question. What is Gecko driver? Gecko is nothing but Firefox. When the Selenium, when the automation started, when the Selenium is started, defaultly it will launch. No need to require EN value. But after they introduce Gecko driver is nothing but you need to download the Gecko driver and you need to work on that. Okay, so this point is very important. Browser specific driver. Now most of the people see, if you don't know the proper automation, they use Chrome driver and they're calling IE. That's wrong, right? You are calling IE driver and you are using Edge driver, so that's wrong, right? So Selenium is it has been implemented through a browser specific driver. They're already given. Okay, I will show you, don't worry. What is Chrome driver, what is Internet Explorer driver, and what is Gecko driver, and what is Edge Chrome driver, and what is Safari driver. So they will provide the drivers. Okay, you just download that drivers and you need to use. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, we'll see very easy way. Each and everything we can do, the practically we can do each and everything. Okay, don't worry about this one. We'll see browsers. See, if you want to download the Internet Explorer, you need to download. If you want Firefox, you need to use the Firefox. If you want to use Opera, you can use. If you want Chrome driver, you need to Chrome driver, Opera driver, Safari driver, Microsoft Edge driver, Microsoft Edge driver. See, Internet Explorer driver. So the Selenium is provided. No need to worry about this one. Okay, if you want launch the Chrome, simply you need to what Chrome driver is required. Chrome driver is support for the Chromie projects. Please refer the documentation. So we need to use Chrome driver here. If you want Opera, you can use Opera. If you want Safari, Safari driver is required. Understanding, right? We'll see how we can launch the sites and all the things. But you need to remember this point is very important. It has been implemented through uh, it has been implemented through a browser specific driver. It is used and it does not depends on any JavaScript. We are not depending any JavaScript. We are depending only browser drivers. Okay, Chrome driver, Firefox driver, and the Gecko driver. Okay, so we are always depends on that. Okay, and what is next one? So so Selenium communicates. See how this browser will communicate. You are using the browsers, right? How I need to communicate with the browser? You always need to talk with the browser. Then only the works will work out. Okay, you need to talk with your browser. Hey, like this. Hey, do like this. Hey, do like this. So you need to communicate with the browser. How you need to communicate? By using of Java or a C# or a Python or Ruby or etc. Okay, so the Selenium is communicate with the browsers to control like functions like RC. It is also support Java and C#. I will need to communicate with the browser, so I need to use some language, right? Without language, I cannot communicate. English is what the communication language you and me, right? So the communication is required for you and me. So that the way in the Selenium also we need to require some communication is required. So by how we need to communicate by using of language, either Java, either Python, or either C#, either Ruby, or etc. And one of the important nowadays no one will use this one, but one of the interview question: what is the grid? What is the Selenium is? What is the Selenium grid? Okay, Selenium grid is used to execute parallel test. I want to execute parallelly all the test cases parallelly in RC in multiple browsers. Okay, one script I want to execute multiple browsers like IE, Firefox, Chrome, and Safari and all the things. In that case, I can use the Selenium Grid. Run server test at the same time with the different missions and running with different missions and different operating systems. Okay, OS. So the Selenium script can run Windows, Linux, and Mac. So in that case, I need to use what Selenium Grid. So this implementation is little bit tough, but nowadays we are not using anything here Selenium Grid. Only we are using what Selenium WebDriver. So you need to put lot of focus, lot of keep on eye, always keep on eye in where in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so simply guys, only today's session is nothing much more. Simply you can say that Selenium is what it automates the web browser. It automates the web browser. Simply you can say that the Selenium is automates the web browser. Selenium is not a single one. The Selenium is a suite of software tools to use automates the web browser. This is the solid definition. If anyone asks you what is Selenium means, you can say that by using of Selenium, I can automate the web browser. Simple one-line answer. Don't say writing the script, executing the script means it will run the script. Don't say all the things. Only simple one-line answer. Selenium is a suite of software tool to use to automate the web browser. I can automate Chrome browser. I can automate Firefox. I can automate the Gecko driver. I can automate the IE driver. So Selenium is a suite of software. What are the suite? What are the four components? Okay, generally they will ask you what are the four components. Okay, fresher level. IDE. What is called IDE? Integrated Development Environment. It's like a plugin. It's like a plugin, and we can record and play. You can record the website, and we can play. You can record the zero knowledge of coding. I don't know any knowledge on the coding. Then I can go with IDE. But nowadays, you know, right, that it's not coding is required. Some at least basic language is required. Basic coding is required because the pressure is coming. You are say that I am strong in manual. My thinking powers is too strong, but the pressure is coming. Even though the organization is not taking manual profiles, even you are too strong. But in future, they want to implement it automation. Future, not now. That's the reason they will ask you, do you know automation? Then you say that, yeah, I'm good in automation. I'm good in Java also. Then your profile weightage is what increase. Your weightage is increased. If you say that, oh, I know only manual, I'm not know how to write the automation, means then your profile will be low down, right? So you cannot get the chance to get into the job. So when you want to get into the job, you need to run into the same way technology wise. What are the people are looking and what are the industry is looking? Industry is looking for both manual and automation. Okay. Once you get into the job, that is the second story. Again, you don't think that I will be become only Selenium automation guy. They will teach you. They will teach you different automation tools. There are number of tools will be there. Number of tools will be there in the market. They need to check what tool is supported for your project. So, but basically, if you are in good in one tool, the rest of the tools is very easy, very easy. Okay. And RC, what is called RC? Just now we discussed remote control, and it supports preferable languages. We can write any language to communicate with the WebDriver. And Selenium WebDriver, it is the very important. All the things we do with the WebDriver. WebDriver has been implemented through a browser-specific driver, Chrome driver, IE driver, Firefox driver. Okay, and Grid. Okay, so this is interview question for experience level or a fresher level. Can you define the advantages of the Selenium and what are the disadvantages of the Selenium? There are limitations will be there. Their limitation means disadvantages. Then advantages will be there. Don't think that in market only Selenium will be there. Don't think like that. There are different tools also will be there. Catalan. So what is the advantages and what is the disadvantages? Now, what is the advantages? You know, right? Selenium is a open source. Just now, the one of the colleague will say that, right? This is the open source. There is no license cost for it is to use. Not required to buy any license. Okay, it's a open source. You can download. You have a system. You can just download the Selenium. Okay. And Selenium IDE. So this is what IDE. Just now we discussed. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. A component provides to access Selenium suite, record and playback feature, which in non-programmer automation the script can be also be written. So I'm not knowing any knowledge on coding. So in that case also I can use the Selenium by using of IDE. Selenium Grid. So just now we discussed, right? Selenium Grid helps in parallel and distributed testing. If you want to parallel testing the same script work in different operating system and different browsers, then we can use the Selenium Grid. And most widely used the programming languages, most Java is evergreen. Java is the top 10. You can see top 10, it will be always second and third place. Java, you need to learn Java, guys. Microservices, next future is coming to microservices and all the things. If you spend 1 month of Java or 2 months of the Java with experts, not normal guys, with experts, you need to learn with experts only, not normal one. Okay, experts will tell you technique and easiest way. Normal persons will read the definition, they will explain the definition. There is a lot of difference between experts and normal persons. Okay, so you need to learn with the experts with the Java. And if you are good in that Java, then that is also will give you more career path. Okay, and it supports a popular browsers like Chrome and Firefox and Internet Explorer. You can automate Chrome, I told you, right? Firefox and Internet Explorer. What is the limitations? This is also is very important. What is the limitations? What is the limitations of the Selenium? Selenium is only support. See, this is the condition, star point. Selenium is only support for what? Web-based application. What is Windows-based application, guys? Anybody? What is Windows-based application?
It
Windows-based
run in
means what? Sorry,
it
come again.
is run in internet.
Yeah, intranet. So it works only in the LAN, local area network. It won't work on www, like World Wide Web. Okay, so web application, it means it works anywhere. Okay, but Windows application means we need to install in your local, and that is only works in your PC only. It won't work in other PCs. Okay, so Selenium will not support window-based kind of application. This is very important condition point. Selenium is only support for what? Web-based applications only. Now all web-based applications only. The mobile app cannot be tested by using the Selenium. See, this is also biggest disadvantages. Again, there are nowadays app, everything is an app. Mobile is an app, banking is an app. If your transaction money is an app, everything is app. Future will be everything is an app. If you buy Android TV, now TV is also an app. If you buy a TV, all apps you need to download. Amazon, Netflix, and all a lot of apps. If you want to see a song, also you need to apply the app. Mobile testing is also the most important, and the things you need to choose your career. Which one is the best and which one is the most important? Okay, choose your career according to that. But what is important? Without apps, now we are habituated that. Understanding, right? App TV is already came, right? Android TVs is already came, and now Android TV, Sony and all the things were already in the market. If you see that, and now Android TVs will come. Android is updated, your TV is also updated. Your apps, 5,000 apps you can install, and they are giving live that nowadays. If you see with Sony and all the things, you can install the apps. And now Jio, how Jio is running now in the market, is provide the apps, and they give the setup box, and he is not giving any DTH, the things and all the things. Simply is giving internet, and you can use any channel and anything by using of apps. So again, here we cannot test the apps. The mobile apps cannot be tested by using the Selenium. Again, Appium. There is another tool will be there in the market by using the Selenium family only. That comes on Selenium family only. That is what Appium, by using of mobile automation. But limitation means what? It won't support the mobile application, and cannot test the capture and barcodes and reading the Selenium by using. See, sometimes barcode will be there. You know, right? What is the barcode? If you provide the barcode, means all the information will come on the product, right? Lines will be there. Okay, barcode is also is very important. If you scan the barcode, all the information will come. So in that case, we cannot read the barcodes and all the things. And one more disadvantages is what? See, reports can only prepared using the third party tool. So reports also it won't generate. Selenium is only to execute, only you can see the output in console only, not in report format. You are not see the output in the report format. You can only see the output in where? In console only. Means Selenium is not provides any reports, but you can, if you want to see in the report format, what you need to use, you need to use third party tools like TestNG. You need to plug in, again you need to install the TestNG to your Eclipse, then only you can see the reports. Selenium is a free tool. See, again, this is also one of the disadvantages, because free tool means who will support you. There is no vendor support. There is no ready to vendor support. Although you find any many helpful communities. Like if you face any problem, whom you need to ask, whom you to call. You cannot call, right? If you take a license, means they will give a support. I'm not giving any support. Then if you find any issue, then whom you need to contact? You cannot contact to anyone. But there is a lot of helpful communities will be there. I always depend on internet. If you find any issue, what I need to do, I copy that issue into the Google, and the same issue is faced by someone else, and they will give you a solution for that one. I follow that solution. So communities is very, very important. Selenium, lot of things will get into in the online itself, online. So the same problem you are also facing and I'm also facing. So I posted in the Google, then the same issue is happened by some other in this world. The same problem is happened by some other guy is also, right? He gave the solution for that one. Based on the solution, I work on the issue. So this is also one of the limitations. Okay, the user is expected keep programming knowledge. See, this is also one of the important. You need to always keep on learning the long language. So you cannot take a relax. It's not a government job. It's a IT job, right? So you always keep learning. Always you need to upgrade yourself. You need to always upgrade yourself. And many challenges with the IE browser. Definitely, they will ask you, can you tell me what are the advantages and what are the limitations of the Selenium? So advantages is the open source. So limitation means what it is only support the web-based application. And the Selenium have an IDE and you can record and play, but in mobile application we cannot test the by using of Selenium. Selenium Grid helps the parallel execution. We cannot test the capture the barcodes and reading the using the Selenium. So this is all what advantages and limitations. Definitely they will ask you the question. Okay, so definitely they are asked four components. Can you, they never ask four components. Can you tell me what is the Selenium? Can you tell me the components of the Selenium? What are the major components of the Selenium? Means you can say that Selenium IDE and Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid. Okay, now tomorrow we'll see. It's not demo class, guys. It's not demo, so I don't want to repeat again. So tomorrow we'll see the continuation session. We'll need to have installation, the Java and all the things. We'll see the coming sessions. Okay, Selenium WebDriver language supports Java, Java, C Sharp, Python, and Perl and Ruby. Okay, and Selenium browser supports. See, what are the Selenium browser supports? You can automate. Just now we discussed Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, HTML unit, headless browser. We can use that one. What is Selenium WebDriver operating system supports? Windows, Mac, OS, and Linux. Okay, so we'll see installation part. Okay, tomorrow we'll see the installation part.
Sir, what is the syllabus of Selenium?
Yeah, I can send it. You can ask the front office, they will send it. Okay. The basic
Yes.
syllabus is what basic and advanced will be there. The basic, what we can see, how to launch the Chrome browser, how to launch the browsers, and all the things will come on basic thing, and how to handle the drop downs, and how to handle the radio buttons, and how to handle the check boxes. There are many things in the basic thing. Is display, is enabled, is is selected. So in the drop downs, radio button, check boxes, how to identify the elements, what are the locators, these all are comes on the basic. When you're talking about the advanced topics like a test ng, we are running, we can write the test ng's with executing the code, and we saw the page objective model, and we are going with Maven, and we can going with the Jenkins and page objective model, and all will comes on Jenkins and GitHub, all will comes on an advanced one. But you need to strong in the basic. If you are strong in the basic, the next of the things is very easy. Okay, you can ask the front office, they will send it you. Okay,
Yes.
any question, any question? See, syllabus go with the concept wise. If you are going with concept wise, you can easily learn. If I give
Yes.
30 pages of the syllabus, you are thinking only syllabus is good, and if you join me, then it's a different way. Okay. If
Sir,
anyone asks
why?
you, mhm,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
Sir, why is it outdated? Sir, you told that Selenium has four components: ID,
Hmm,
RC, WebDriver, and Grid,
hmm,
and our
hmm,
syllabus is WebDriver.
hmm.
So why ID, RC, and Grid is outdated?
No, updated means they're merged into one area, and into everything is they're merged into one WebDriver itself. Now only we have only WebDriver only. There is no ID, there is no RC, and all the things. Previously, they introduced ID. I told you right. First, they introduced what ID. Next, they introduced RC. Now they merge it into all the things in one area, WebDriver. But
Sir,
nowadays, no one will go ahead.
RC, sir, you told that RC support RC also support allows Java, C Sharp, Python, and Ruby.
Yeah, yes. Language.
Uh, So
Without communication, how you will work? That is
yes,
what
sir.
you can make. That is without communication, how you work. RC is made with everything will be works in WebDriver only. That the browser specific driver. WebDriver is there for Chrome. WebDriver will be there for the Firefox and all the things. So you can work on that. Yes, we will work with the BDD framework and TDD. Both will also cover. Okay. This is the only framework, so we can work with the frameworks also, BDD and Cucumber and all the things. That is 1 day and 2 days topics, not much more than we can cover. Don't worry, we can give the 3 to 4 years of experience, max 3 years of experience. But only thing is what it's not like a manual. Simply you can listen and you can close the session. It's not be like that. Lot of practice is required. Lot of practice is required. Lot of things is required. And everyone should share the screen. I'm not writing any single code. I'm not writing any single code. Everything is written by yourself. I can ask you to share the screen. You need to share your screen, and I will explain. You need to write. Okay. So that is what our program like. If I writing my script and my laptop and I'm executing means that's very easy for me. But I'm not doing like that. I ask you people to share your screen, and you need to do in front of all. So every one of the person need to share the screen. Okay,
Yes,
everyone.
sir. Yes.
Okay,
Sir,
good.
which portion of Java is required?
Huh?
Which portion of Java is required for Selenium?
That's fine. Basic. See, again, don't go with again Java 14, Java 8. Don't go with like basic
8.
concept. Yeah, that's enough. But you are in good in Java, basic one. What is class? What is object? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? What is OOPS concept? If you are good in that area, right? Interview. Sometimes they won't ask any question in Selenium, because Selenium people are many more in the market. There are thousands of people will be there, but they are lacking in where? Java. They are not in good in Java. That's the reason we are rejected them. Suppose in that interview you came and you are saying that, sir, I'm in good in hey, I'm good in Java, you can give me any program, I will return. So definitely in future, I always think the future, right? So I can take you only. I don't want to take other guys. We say that I'm certified in automation. I certified. You'll see my certificate also. They won't take, because they require the programming guys like who knows at least the basic things and other things. If you are in good in that area, definitely 100% they will take you. In future also, I can utilize like a developer, or in future I can utilize you like a API testings and all the things. The company is always looking in the different way, but don't think I know manual and I know automation, I will get a job. Means you need to require the skills. Automation, like I told you, right? Database is also required few concepts like that is also required. Java, at least one language. You are in good in Java, then it's definitely you can easily crack the interview. No doubt at all. Okay, guys, we'll see. It's not demo class. We can continue tomorrow. What we can do, if well and good, if you install the Java, then it's very well and good. Install the Java. That's it. Okay, how to install Java, right? You know, or I can explain you.
Yes,
You
yes.
want to
Yes, sir,
explain?
Java 8 or 9?
888. You can install Java 8.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Eclipse.
Install the Java. Eclipse, you can also install the Eclipse if you know the how to install. Only simple, guys, no need to ask anyone. Simply you can go install the Java. But Java, while you're installing the Java, make sure, guys, you need to follow the some standards. Okay, you need to set the path. The path is very very important. How to set the path? Interview question. So how to set the path? Go to the this PC and right click my computers, properties and advanced settings. Click the advanced settings, and go to the environment variable, and you need to create Java home, and you need to give the path. So you need to give the correct path. If you are giving mistake path, then you will not work. Okay, if you are very strong, means, then you can do. Otherwise, leave it. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, but if you have a time, just install the Java and check your system will have Java or not. How you will check? CMD command prompt. Open the command prompt. Java hyphen, what is that version? What is the version here? See, now my Java version is 15. Oh my god. Okay, Java. See, what is the path? See, path is there or not? So I can use the Java. So path setting is very very important. Interview question: how to set the path and all the things. Okay, first install the Java and how to set the path. Tomorrow we'll see. Okay, at least you need to download the Java today itself if it is possible. Otherwise, leave it. Do not touch anything. Just go with IDE. Install the IDE. Oh, sorry, plug in the IDE and check whether you are playing the whether you are record and play the things or not. Thank you, guys. Any questions? But practice is required, guys. This is practice. Lot of practice is required in this classes. So if you practice parallelly, it's very easy. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
We'll see you tomorrow then. Thank you. Bye bye.